Today, we will show you how to pair your new Edge 850 cycling computer to your compatible smartphone or tablet. For this video, we are using a compatible Apple iPhone, but the process is similar for compatible Apple iPads and for compatible Android smartphones and tablets. First, power on your Edge 850 by pressing the upper left red button. Next, locate and select your desired language by selecting the checkmark. A QR code will appear on your Edge. Scan the QR code with the camera on your smartphone. This will open the Garmin Connect app if you already have it downloaded. The Apple App Store or Google Play Store will open if you do not have it downloaded. Now, select Connected. Ensure the passkey matches on both your Edge 850 and compatible smartphone. Then select Pair on your smartphone. The Garmin Connect app will ask if you would like to receive smart notifications on your Edge 850. The Edge 850 and compatible smartphone will now complete the pairing process. Follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will be different depending on if you have previously connected a compatible Edge cycling computer to your Garmin Connect account. Select Sync Now to complete the pairing process. It may take a few minutes for your Edge to sync with Garmin Connect for the first time. Select Finish. You will also have the option to customize activity profiles if you did not transfer any from a previous Edge cycling computer. This can be done now or later from the device menu. Garmin Connect will now give you the option to connect your Edge 850 to Wi-Fi. Garmin recommends this to ensure future syncs happen as fast as possible. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.